What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So I actually haven't driven this car in about, sorry, ignore this that I have in my hand. I haven't driven this car in about 2 weeks, so I'm gonna go ahead and give her a quick little startup and take her on the block. Looking clean, looking clean. Love this car more every day. But yeah, let's go ahead and give you guys a little close start. Has returned outside of my garage. It's been a garage queen since I bought the Q50. Sometimes I literally forget I have this car. Like, I'll walk out to my garage and I'll be like, damn, I forgot I had you. You guys hear my lips scraping? Go for a little drive around the block. Damn, I'm surprised I still know how to drive stick. Alright guys, we made it back from the little cruise around the block. So as you guys read by the title, today I will be bringing my grandma on a ride along my 500 wheel horsepower 350Z. The fastest car she's been in has literally been my car before boost, so that was like a 300 wheel horsepower car. And I remember I still used to kind of scare her in that car. The only difference is obviously the addition of like 200 wheel horsepower. I'm gonna go ahead and call her outside and let's go show her what this is about. ¿Lista?
Listo. El cinturón, ¿dónde está?
Let me put on the harness real quick. Safety first, dame. Digo, la seguridad es primero.
Ajá.
¿Cuándo es la última vez que te subiste?
Hace 2 años, ¿no?
No sé.
Flashback. End of flashback.
¿Se ve diferente o no? O casi no.
Casi está el bajo, un poquito.
¿Cómo se oye? ¿Cómo se oye? ¿Cómo se oye?
Bien, muy bien. Este carrito está bien bueno. buen. Muy buen.
¿Qué? ¿Maneja?
Ajá.
¿La forma que manejo o cómo?
De la forma que manejas.
Gracias.
Todo.
Es que
Buen carro.
tengo driver mod.
Ah.
Di eso, driver mod. Dilo. Dilo.
No.
Driver mod.
Ay, pues. No
No.
sé ni lo que quiere decir.
Eso
¿Cómo
quiere,
saber decirlo?
eso quiere decir como eres buen para manejar el carro, pues.
Ajá. No, muy bueno,
¿Eh?
Voy a agarrar hasta con las uñas. Si yo te veo allá, debes tener canijo, yo te veo
¿O en los videos?
en todos los videos. Sí, seguidos los pongo. Ajá. Ay, no manches. Qué bárbaro.
Ok, ahora sí ya.
Muy buen nieto que tengo, gracias a Dios.
¿Esto sí te gustó?
Sí, me gustó. Ajá. Qué buen carro tienes, hijo.
Gracias.
¿Cuánta mejor este o el otro?
Este,
Este, ¿verdad?
sí, 100%.
Sí.
¿Te puedo decir un secreto?
Sí.
Te estaba grabando.
¡Ay, no me digas! ¡Ay! Nunca la vi.
Ahora sí ya.
Nunca la vi.
Saludos para YouTube.
Ah, ¿eh?
Saludos para YouTube. Hell yeah, let's go. Alright guys, gonna go ahead and go wash this car because it's kind of dirty. Actually, it's not kind of dirty, it is very dirty. I'm gonna go to the local car wash. I remember that a lot of my vlogs used to always take place there. We used to always roll deep with the homies, wash our cars. But now everybody has jobs and girls and families. Sad place. Alright guys, car's all clean. Hope you guys like that little slide at the end. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drive this thing and get out of here. Alright guys, so I was cruising with my girl right now. And I was telling her to record some rolling videos of the car because I haven't really seen her rolling. When she came up with the brilliant idea that I haven't thought of for whatever reason, of just swapping cars and just having her drive this one and just let us pretty much allow me to see how it looks rolling. So heck yeah, let's go ahead and do this. I'm in love with this car, guys. So in love. Guys, I've been seeing it rolling for like the past like 5 minutes. It looks so good. It hits so different when you see your car rolling. Like you're like, damn, that's really my whip, you know. It looks so clean, guys. I do need to fix the pivot on the rear. I need to get some taller tires. But dang, bro, they're so sick. To be honest, it's crazy. It's kind of starting to hit me now that I have a Q50. She needs some test pipes. What do you guys think? Does the Q50 need some test pipes? I think it does. Downshift. Perfect. Oh my god. I'm in love. Wow. These test pipes and the tune so you can shoot fat flames.